And we've made it. The final link video. In this video, we're going to look at the title attribute. Now, the title attribute displays a little bit of extra information about our link. And it shows up when we hover over the link. Let me show you what I mean. At the moment, if I hover over this link, we get nothing. Okay? Now, I've got BBC News website, so we pretty much know where we're going. But what if that didn't say BBC News website? What if that said, read the full story? And let's spell story correctly. And we're going to save that. Go here. So read the full story. Okay. Where am I going? I know, I made the website. But does anybody else know? Probably not. So what we can do is, right here, we can add in the title attribute. Make that equal to speech marks, and I can just say where this is going. Read the full story on the BBC Technology News webpage. And we can Control and S to save. Refresh. Read the full story on the BBC News Technology webpage. And I didn't spell technology correctly. Obviously, I did that on purpose. I want to see if you spotted it. Let's save that again. And hover again. And there it is. It spells it correctly this time. That's much better. Click. Opens as usual. Alright. Go and add some title attributes to your links.